To find a pan worthy of your all-important muffin baking efforts, we baked batch after batch of classic blueberry muffins in well-reviewed muffin tins to bring you the best ones. There are many muffin pans to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best muffin pans from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Wilton Recipe Right Muffin Pan. The Wilton Recipe Right Muffin Pan is a budget-friendly baking essential that delivers solid performance for its price point. At just $9, this 12-cup pan offers excellent value for home bakers looking to whip up a dozen muffins or cupcakes in one go. The steel construction with a non-stick surface ensures easy release of baked goods and simplifies cleanup, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. While the pan's performance is generally reliable, it's not without minor drawbacks. Some users may notice slight unevenness in baking and minimal spread in unlined cups. Though these issues are hardly noticeable in everyday use, the advertised extra-wide handles, while functional, may not live up to the hype for those expecting a more substantial grip. Maintenance is straightforward, with the pan being dishwasher safe. However, hand washing in warm, soapy water is recommended for optimal longevity. Number 2. USA Pan Bakeware Muffin Pan. The USA Pan Bakeware Muffin Pan stands out as a premium choice for discerning home bakers and professionals alike. Crafted with pride in the United States, this pan reflects over 50 years of bakeware expertise from the Bundy family company. The standout feature is undoubtedly the patented Americoat silicone coating, which sets a new standard for non-stick performance. This innovative coating, free from PTFE, PFOA, and BPA, ensures effortless release of baked goods and simplifies cleanup significantly. Bakers will appreciate the peace of mind that comes with using a product free from potentially harmful chemicals. Maintenance is a breeze, requiring only hot water, mild soap, and a gentle scrub. This ease of care, combined with the pan's durable construction, promises long-lasting performance. Number 3. Nordic Commercial Muffin Pan. The Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Commercial Muffin Pan is a testament to quality American craftsmanship, proudly manufactured by Nordic Ware in the USA. This 12-cup standard muffin pan stands out for its exceptional durability and performance, making it a favorite among both home bakers and professionals. Crafted from pure aluminum, this pan boasts superior heat conductivity, ensuring that muffins and cupcakes rise evenly and bake to perfection. The natural aluminum construction not only guarantees a lifetime of rust-free use, but also promotes consistent baking results time after time. A standout feature is the reinforced encapsulated steel rim, which effectively prevents warping, maintaining the pan's shape even under frequent use. Number 4. Greenlife Ceramic Non-Stick Muffin Pan. The Greenlife Bakeware Ceramic Non-Stick Muffin Pan offers a compelling blend of performance, health consciousness, and environmental responsibility. At the heart of this pan's appeal is its ceramic non-stick coating, derived from sand and free from harmful chemicals like PFAs, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This innovative coating not only ensures worry-free cooking, but also boasts impressive environmental credentials, producing 60% fewer CO2 emissions during its curing phase compared to traditional nonstick coatings. The pan's heavy-duty steel construction guarantees fast and even heat distribution, while reinforced rims add strength and prevent warping, promising years of reliable use. With oven and broiler-safe capabilities up to 450 def, this versatile pan can handle a wide range of baking tasks. Number 5. Hongbake Muffin Pan. The Hongbake Muffin Pan set offers an impressive combination of quality, versatility, and value for both amateur and seasoned bakers. Crafted from heavy-gauge carbon steel that's 27% thicker than average, these pans promise exceptional durability and even heat distribution. The reinforced construction ensures stability and longevity. The Whitford-enhanced, 2-layer nonstick coating not only facilitates easy release and cleaning but also prioritizes health by being free from PFOA, BPA, and PTFE. Versatility is a key feature, with the pan suitable for a wide range of occasions from daily cooking to festive celebrations. The stackable design is a thoughtful touch, allowing for space-efficient storage. While the nonstick surface is designed to resist scratching, staining, and corrosion, careful handling will likely extend its lifespan. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.